Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In the previous video, we have seen about margins in CSS. In this video, I'm going to teach you what is padding in CSS. Let's go to our slideshow. So here, padding is nothing but the space between the content of an element and its border. So it will create some space inside of the element. Suppose if we take some div element, so if we write some content in this in the div element and is something like a paragraph, then all the four sides of the div element inside of the div element will get some space. That is called padding. So if the space is outside of the div element, then it will be called as margin. That is we discussed in the previous video. If you didn't watch that previous video, you can check in our playlist, or I will be mentioning that link in our description of this present video. So so you can see the syntax like this. Padding, if you need to mention some top of the element, if you need to have some padding, then it will be padding top, and it will be padding right if we want padding on right side. So in the similar way, left and right. So it is similar to the margin syntax. All the syntax of this padding will be similar to margin, but instead of margin we'll be writing padding. And if you need to if you want to write in the shortcut way, we can mention like this: padding 25, or like this four values we can write. So first value will be represent top, second one right, third one bottom, and fourth one is left. So here if you write three values, then it will be taking as first one is top, second one is right left, and third one is it will take as bottom value. So if you write two values, it will take it as top bottom for first value, right and left for second value. If you write it as like, if you write one value, then all the four sides, like all the four inside of the element, it is taking as same 100 pixels value here. So let's get started, and I will show this as a real-time example. Go to Visual Studio. Click. So open Visual Studio and create one project. For time being, I have already created one project, so I'm opening it. So if you create one web application, and I have created a padding.css HTML page, so right click and add some one razor page here. So I have adding one div, and I will write first. I will add one heading here, and after that I will add style here. So CSS class is my div, so I took one div and I am giving class name. So under the div section, you can add your content as your wish. I'm adding this content in the div section. I put one heading and second heading and one paragraph I have taken. So and another h3 heading I have taken. So save this. So I have given border background color. So now we should apply some padding here. So without applying, I will run the program and show you how the page is looking like. So save this and run our application. So before that, check here our page is mentioned here or not in the layout page. So I have mentioned. So click on margins. So this is what we have added our content with some style. So we didn't add padding for now, because I need to show you without padding. This is the content without padding. So stop the application and add padding here. So here, if you observe here, here, sorry, after that you can observe here, after applying padding, I want to show you these four sides. Observe. So after applying padding inside of the border, you can observe. So I will stop the application. I will stop the application and I will apply padding here. So our CSS in the CSS class, apply padding, padding top. I will give padding top is 20 pixels. Saving and running again. You can observe the top padding, how it looks like. So click on the margins. You can observe here clearly how much padding is applied. See, you can observe here. This is nothing but padding. So this area, this top area is nothing but padding. So how much padding we have applied? 20 pixels. See here, we have applied on the top side, we have applied 20 pixels of padding. So in the similar manner, apply on bottom side padding bottom another 20 pixels. Save it and run again. You can check. Now we'll be having both sides, both top and bottom is having 20 pixels of padding. See here, if you see, this is 20 pixels and this is 20 pixels of padding. Now stop the application and apply for left and right side. Padding left is 20 pixels. Just a minute. I'm sorry. Okay, now padding right 20 pixels. Save. So to make a difference, I will be adding 30 pixels. And here I will 30 pixels. Save it and run again. Click on this. See here, if you observe, this is left side 30 pixels. Because content is very small, you cannot observe here. But it is, if the content is more, then you can observe right side also. So you can observe, you can apply like this. padding for any element. So now if you don't want to write again, like if you think this code is very lengthy, you can write it as very simple. You can write it as a single line. If you want to write all these four values, you can write as in a single line, which is nothing but short form of padding is. I will write now padding. Just you will apply like padding. If you give 50 pixels and again 50 pixels, and after that 20 pixels, and the space 20 pixels. Now we have given in a single line. If you observe this single line, this is nothing but, as I have shown you, the first to represent top, second represent right side, and third value represent top, right, bottom, and fourth value is left. Top, right, bottom, left. See, we have seen top, right, bottom, left. Like that it will take. Save this and run and check your output. See, top 50 have given, top 50, right 50. See, check top 50, top 50, right 50, and bottom, how it is there, bottom what we have given 20 and left 20. So we can check here. Bottom is 20, right is, left is 20. So like this you can apply padding. So if you want all the four sides as a single, like if you want equal gap, equal space on all four sides, then you can simply mention 50 pixels as one value. So save this, run again. So check here. See, all the four sides will be having 50 pixels of padding. So like this you can apply. So if you want like if you give three values, suppose if I gave two values 25 pixels, save, stop and save and run again. If you give two values, it will take it as two values. First value is top bottom, second value is right left. Observe, see here we have given 50 for top and bottom, 25 for right and left. 50, 50, 25, 25. As As I mentioned, this content is very short. It is taking as more. If you give more content or lengthy content, the padding will be right side padding will also be appeared correctly. So if I give three values, what happens? It will take it as middle value, it will take it as right and left. So if I given like 100 pixels, let's say 100 pixels, save. First stop and start. Let's see. So click on margin. See here, top and bottom is we have given. Top is 50 pixels, bottom is 25 pixels, and right and left 100 pixels. Right and left 100 pixels. So like this, you can achieve the way of padding in CSS. So thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe and like our channel, so it will reach to more required persons or required students. So this is in the next video. I will come back with you like a next topic. So until then, please have a safe be safe, and thank you very much.